What are the different types of doctors? You probably know the word doctor and other similar words like physician, MD or medical doctor, and even the word surgeon. But do you know the specific names of the different types of doctors? Well, today I'm going to teach you about the most common types of medical fields and specialists. This video is time-stamped, so you can quickly review the different types. Check it out in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Allergist, also known as immunologist. They treat immune system disorders such as asthma, eczema, food allergies, insect bite allergies, and some autoimmune diseases. Anesthesiologist. These doctors give you drugs to put you under or to sleep during surgery, childbirth, or other procedures. They also monitor your vital signs like breathing and heart rate while you're under anesthesia. Cardiologist. They're experts on the heart and blood vessels. People who have heart failure, a heart attack, high blood pressure, or an irregular heartbeat would need to see a cardiologist. Colon and rectal surgeon. These doctors help with problems you have with your small intestine, colon, and bottom. They treat colon cancer, hemorrhoids, and inflammatory bowel disease. Critical care medicine specialist. They take care of people who are critically ill or injured, often in charge of intensive care units in hospitals. Dermatologist. If you have problems with your skin, hair, or nails, you would go to a dermatologist. You'd also see them if you have moles, scars, acne, or skin allergies. Endocrinologist. They can treat conditions like diabetes, thyroid problems, infertility, and bone disorders. Emergency medical specialist. You'll usually find these doctors in an emergency room because it's their job to make life or death decisions for sick and injured people. Epidemiologist. This is a person who studies diseases and how they are found, spread, and controlled in groups of people. Family physician. They care for the entire family. They do routine checkups, screening tests, give immunization injections, and manage ongoing medical conditions. Gastroenterologist. They're specialists in digestive organs, including the stomach, bowels, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. You might see them for abdominal pain, ulcers, diarrhea, jaundice, or cancers in your digestive organs. They also have the fun task of doing a colonoscopy, if it's needed. Geriatric medicine specialist. These doctors care for the elderly. They can make house calls to their patients' homes, nursing homes, assisted living centers, as well as hospitals. Hematologist. They are specialists in diseases of the blood, spleen, and lymph glands like sickle cell disease, anemia, hemophilia, and leukemia. Hospice and palliative medicine specialist. These people help patients that are nearing death. They specialize in pain management and work with a team of other doctors to keep you comfortable in your final stretch of life. Infectious disease specialist. They diagnose and treat infections such as fevers, Lyme disease, pneumonia, tuberculosis, HIV, and AIDS. Internist. These primary care doctors treat both common and complex illnesses. You'll likely see them or your family doctor first for any condition. Medical geneticist. They diagnose and treat hereditary disorders that have passed down from parents to their children. Nephrologist. These doctors treat kidney diseases, high blood pressure, as well as fluid and mineral imbalances that have been linked to kidney disease. Neurologist. They specialize in the nervous system, which includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. They treat strokes, brain and spinal tumors, epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's. Obstetrician and gynecologist. Often called OBGYNs, these doctors focus on women's health, which include pregnancy and childbirth. They perform pap smears, pelvic exams, and pregnancy checkups. Gynecologists focus on women's reproductive health, and obstetricians specialize in caring for pregnant women. Oncologist. They specialize in helping cancer patients. They do chemotherapy treatments and often work with radiation oncologists and surgeons. Ophthalmologist. They can prescribe glasses or contact lenses, as well as diagnose and treat diseases like glaucoma. Unlike optometrists, they're medical doctors who can treat all types of eye conditions as well as perform eye operations. Osteopath. Doctors of osteopathic medicine, or DO, are fully licensed medical doctors just like medical doctors, MDs. Osteopaths use the latest medical technology but also the body's natural ability to heal itself. Otolaryngologist. They're also known as the eyes, ears, nose, and throat doctor. They treat diseases in the ears, nose, throat, sinuses, head, neck, and respiratory system. They also can do reconstructive and plastic surgery from the neck up. Pathologist. They identify the cause of disease by examining body tissues and fluids under a microscope. Pediatrician. They give medical care to infants, children, adolescents, and young adults. Physiatrist. They specialize in physical medicine and rehabilitation to treat neck or back pain and sports or spinal cord injuries, as well as other disabilities caused by accidents or diseases. Plastic surgeon. Some people call them cosmetic surgeons. They rebuild or repair your skin, face, hands, or body due to injury or disease, but also for cosmetic reasons. Podiatrist. People often call them a foot doctor because they help with problems you have with your ankles and feet. Preventive medicine specialist. They may work in public health clinics or at hospitals and focus on treating people with addictions, illnesses from exposure to drugs, chemicals, and poisons. Psychiatrist. These doctors are often called shrinks. They work with people with mental, emotional, or addictive disorders. Pulmonologist. They are specialists that deal with problems like lung cancer, pneumonia, asthma, emphysema, and trouble sleeping caused by breathing issues. Radiologist. They perform X-rays, ultrasounds, and other imaging tests. Rheumatologist. They specialize in arthritis and other diseases in your joints, muscles, bones, and tendons. People often see them for weak bones, back pain, gout, tendinitis, fibromyalgia, and repetitive injuries. Sleep medicine specialist. These specialists find and treat causes for insomnia, or when you can't sleep. Sports medicine specialist. These doctors diagnose, treat, and prevent injuries related to sports and exercise injuries. General surgeon. These doctors can operate on all parts of the body, taking tumors, appendices, gallbladders, and repair hernias. Urologist. These are surgeons who care for both men and women with urinary tract problems, like a leaky bladder. They also treat male infertility and do prostate exams. Let's practice saying these words. Remember, listen first and then repeat. I'll say them twice. Allergist. Allergist. Immunologist. Immunologist. Anesthesiologist. 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 Cardiologist. Cardiologist. Colon. Colon. And rectal surgeon. Colon and rectal surgeon. Critical care medicine specialist. Critical care medicine specialist. Dermatologist. Dermatologist. Endocrinologist. Endocrinologist. Emergency medicine specialist. Emergency medicine specialist. Epidemiologist. Epidemiologist. Family physician. Family physician. Gastroenterologist. Gastroenterologist. Geriatric medicine specialist. Geriatric medicine specialist. Hematologist. Hematologist. Hospice and palliative medicine specialist. Hospice and palliative medicine specialist. Infectious disease specialist. Infectious disease specialist. Internist. Internist. Medical geneticist. Medical geneticist. Nephrologist. Nephrologist. Obstetrician and gynecologist. Obstetrician and gynecologist, or OBGYN. OBGYN. Oncologist. Oncologist. Ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist. Osteopath. Osteopath. otolaryngologist, 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 pathologist, pathologist, pediatrician, pediatrician, physiatrist, physiatrist, plastic surgeon, plastic surgeon, podiatrist, podiatrist, preventive medicine specialist, preventive medicine specialist, psychiatrist, psychiatrist, pulmonologist, pulmonologist, radiologist, 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 rheumatologist, rheumatologist, sleep medicine specialist, sleep medicine specialist, sports medicine specialist, sports medicine specialist, general surgeon, general surgeon, urologist, urologist, urologist. Hey, that was great! All right, if you found this video useful, please give it a like and check out my dentist video that I did. Thanks for watching, my students, and remember, please keep practicing. Bye! Otolaryngologist. Boy, that's hard. But I said it right, yeah?
I think so.
Otolaryngologist.